How to level the yard with a roller. Bumpy, uneven yards can twist ankles and cause pooling water. People who want to improve the drainage properties of their yard before installing new crops or grass, or people who just don't want to snap an ankle, can smooth out soil with a lawn roller. Lawn rollers come in hand-push forms made for use by a single person, as well as larger versions designed to attach to a tractor. Regardless of what type you use, the basic operation remains the same. Things you'll need: rake, shovel, sand optional. Examine your yard for any major holes or lumps that might trip up the roller. Use a rake or shovel to roughly smooth out big variations prior to rolling the yard. Remove the plug or cap on the side of the roller. Add sand or water to the lawn roller, depending on the manufacturer's instructions. Fill the roller completely to make it as heavy as possible. Replace the cap or plug on the side of the roller. Attach the roller to a tractor according to the instructions provided by the roller's manufacturer, unless you are using a hand-pushed version. Follow all appropriate safety precautions when rolling with the tractor. Pull or push the lawn roller over the yard in parallel lines. Travel from one end of the yard to the other, then move the roller over so the edge of the cylinder touches the edge of the line you just rolled. Return back to the first end and repeat until the entire yard is rolled. Roll the entire yard a second time, moving in lines perpendicular to the first pass. Inspect the yard after the second rolling. Continue rolling the yard in alternating directions until it successfully levels out. Tips: warnings. Rolling compacts the soil tightly together. Consider aerating the yard afterward to reintroduce air to the ground. Leveling grass with a roller can damage the look of a lawn, says Richard Duran of the Iowa State University Extension. Soil compaction reduces the health of the grass and can lead to thinner lawns.